Hi, Paige from Brooklyn Haberdashery here, and I'm excited to tell you about a new product that we have in. This is Kristen's bag, and over the years she has gotten tons of compliments on it. It's something that she hand stitched, and it's a modern take on the Japanese rice pouch. Together with a friend, Karen Stevens, we have put together a kit that includes a pattern for the modern rice pouch, but also some curated fabrics, some linen, some hard to find Japanese fabrics, some Essex linen. This is how the kit makes up. The kit will include the fabric for the pattern, some cording, and some really great threads. So you can leave it as is, or you can start hand stitching additional motifs on it. It's all up to you, but it truly creates a one-of-a-kind